The Ansul R102 Restaurant Fire Suppression System provides you with two design options. The primary is an appliance-specific design, where nozzles are aimed at specific hazard areas of the appliance. This is considered the most economical design because the agent is aimed only where it is needed. The other option is overlapping appliance protection. In this design scheme, the nozzles are installed in a straight line and provide overlapping discharge patterns. Using this layout, appliances can be moved or replaced, and as long as they stay within the fire-free zone, they will be protected. In the event of an actual fire, the fusible link detection system responds rapidly to the growing heat. When the temperature rating is exceeded, the fusible link separates, triggering the release of a compressed gas cylinder within the Ansul release mechanism. Simultaneously, the compressed gas pressurizes the Ansul X agent tank and an air cylinder that trips the Ansul mechanical gas shutoff valve. The Ansul X agent is then dispensed throughout the system, rapidly knocking down the flames. And because it has a neutral pH factor, Ansul X is gentle on kitchen equipment as well. To help prevent fire reflash, the agent creates a foam blanket that inhibits the release of flammable vapors and cools the hazard area. The system can also be actuated using the manual pull station. Its bright red color makes it easily recognizable and has protective side guards to inhibit accidental actuation. The Ansul R102 Restaurant Fire Suppression System. Flexible fire protection designed for your changing needs.